Welcome to Jesus in a Tortilla. I'm trying some things, some different things. Over a year now, we're really not getting the subscribers. Trying some different things, maybe get some different kind of views. Who knows? I've seen a few reviewers make like fantasy sandwiches or make sandwiches that aren't made in America or just their version of. And I want to play that game because I fantasize about sandwiches all the time. So I should make a fantasy sandwich, and I did. I haven't tried it yet. This is just fresh and new. I'm experimenting. It cost me $2, and that's how much it should cost. Should be even a little bit cheaper, but it's $2. It's going to be called the Big McChicken. I'm excited about this. This is what I would get for lunch every day. This is not just me making a fantasy sandwich. This is me pleading to McDonald's. Please make this sandwich and make it for $2. What are we talking about? Oh, you kind of know already. Oh, it's still warm. Still warm. Made by loving hands. Mine. Ain't easy. There it is. This is what I want. For $2 every day for lunch. You know, I really like a good solid piece of chicken breast, and I like a lot of the chicken sandwiches out there, but man, something always about McChicken keeps calling me. There it is. Isn't that a nice looking sandwich? And it eliminates them using a piece of bread. So it would even be cheaper. These are $2 for two, and I got rid of one of the pieces of bread. It's kind of like obviously, it's based on the Big Mac, but it's going to be the Big Chicken. Oh, boy. Look at that. Let's just look at it for a while. I love you. All right. Let's go for this. Why is this not on the menu? Come on. Maybe sesame seed bun? Just got lots of lettuce and mayo on it. 2 chicken patties, 3 pieces of bread, let me get inside you one more time. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. All day long. Oh, iced tea, best in the biz. All day long. All day long. Out of the park. No, I didn't mean to do that. Out of the park. Just delicious. I do this. McDonald's, taking notes. Maybe you could even eliminate that third piece of bread. Just give us the 2 buns, 2 patties, and all that chopped up lettuce and mayo. I enjoyed this. I'd buy this, or I'm going to buy this. It's not even on the menu. I'm going to get one. That's good. I like the McChicken. I just do. I'm weak. Well, what do we give this fantasy sandwich? 10 all day, baby. Thanks for watching. Love you, baby.